am I?
Rabbit.
Who am I?
Chicken.
Who am I?
Tiger.
Who am I?
Frog.
Who am I?
Pig.
Who am I?
Zebra.
Who am I?
Monkey.
Who am I?
Dog.
Who am I?
Bear.
Who am I?
Dinosaur.
Tommy is a cat who loved to eat sweet sliced pickles. They are so sweet with sugar and spice. He liked them very much. Tommy had eaten those sweet sliced pickles so fast he didn't not pay attention how fast they was going. One evening, Tommy had gotten down to his last pickled slice. Oh, he says with sadness in his voice. Oh, my last sweet pickle slice. Oh, poor Tommy. Last sweet sliced pickles were all gone. Tommy cries out loudly with meow and another meow. Tommy's friend Pepper the cat heard Tommy meow and rushed to him and said, "Tommy, is there a problem?" "Yes," said Tommy, "my sweet sliced pickles are gone." "Wow," said Pepper the cat. "What happened to them?" Tommy said with tears in his eyes. "I eaten them all up."
Three little bears sitting in line, a spoon and honey, everything's fine. Golden sweetness, dripping so sweet. Dancing and laughing, can't feel my feet. Yummy to our tummy, we're feeling alive. With every little bite, we thrive and bite, vibe and vibe. Three little bears sitting in line, a spoon and honey, everything's fine. Golden sweetness, dripping so sweet. Dancing and laughing, can't feel my feet. Yummy to our tummy, we're feeling alive.